DADDYGVILLE'S world.
What's up, everyone? If you have an 88 to 98 Chevy Silverado or the GMC Sierra like I do, when it comes to looking for new tail lights, there's just so many to choose from.
Which can drive you nuts? Which style do I want? Do I get them with LEDs? If so, how long does the LEDs last? Do I have to rewire anything? Do I have to get adapters if they are LED? Or can I just get plug and play? All of this will leave you drained. Now I know I wanted a factory style look, so I picked 4 to research. What I found was the LEDs do not last very long.
Now, I like the look of these ones, but I don't like the price. And in 6 months, if the LEDs go out, I could buy a whole new set. But then I found these ones. Now here's my original tail light, which has to take a circuit board. And as you can see by the tape, mine are broke. Now here's the new Anzo crystal clear ones, which does come with new bulbs. You got the reflector at the top, then your driving lights, then your turn signal and brake light, and your reverse light. Now with this new setup, it eliminates that circuit board and breaks it down to a single circuit per light. And you can still use the original 3157 bulbs, or you can buy the 3157 LED bulbs. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video.